Let's go see if he's all right.
You know who that is?
No, let's go see if he's all right.
Hey, buddy, you okay?
Come on, hurry.
Stop. Oh, crap! Stop it!
Oh, thank you! Run! Get into the garage. We need some more weaponry. Come on. Here, I'll throw this ball at him. Come on. Run! Oh God. Oh God, I'm gonna die. Oh God. Oh my God. He's right there.
I think I'm turning into a zombie.